the prospects for AI are also infrastructure, and therefore some of the data centers. How much of an increase will we see from Brookfield?
The thing that I guess that hasn't really been factored in yet is that data center build out really only started 10 years ago, and it was just getting started for cloud, and then the ChatGPT moment happened, and the amount of increase in requirement to train models and for learning is very, very significant, and we're talking trillions and trillions. So the opportunity for us, as we've always tried to move our backbone of the global economy along with what's changing in the world. And increasingly today, the world is digitalizing, and the final step of all of that is providing compute capacity. And so we continue to work on opportunities like that, but these are large, large sums of money. Some of these sites, like a 1,000 megawatt, 1 gigawatt data center site is with compute capacity, power to compute capacity all the way through is $50 billion. These are almost unprecedented investments ever seen in hundreds of years.
But are we overestimating or underestimating the pace of change that this needs to get done?
You know, I would say you never know at the moment in time. But if I had to guess, we will. Everyone gets excited sometimes, but in the next 10 years, we will look back and be extremely surprised at the progresses that have been made. And probably the most important thing is that really what's happening is that it's the application of artificial intelligence into service businesses and industrial businesses, and the compression of the component of labor. And because of that, the productivity advances are going to be very significant. But that's going to be good for America because it means you can reshore capacity that you couldn't have made in the United States before, and that's going to continue to happen over the next 10 years.
Has DeepSeek changed anything for you?
I think all it does is show that when advances get made, they continue to get made, and progress, smart entrepreneurs figure out another way. And I'd say it makes the point. We are going to have better technology every day. We're all learning, and I'd say for us, what's really important is we provide the backbone of all of that. So we're providing the green power, we're providing the data center, we're providing the compute capacity, we're funding all of that, and that's different than we don't own a competitor to DeepSeek. If you did, you might worry about whether you had that. But what it does mean probably is that there's more capacity required, which means they need more of our backbone. And as you bring costs down with anything, more use cases come about. And that's what's going to happen in the next 10 years as we evolve this business.